call him when she woke up. We ordered, this is one of the list of the verb जो हम पहले slide में study कर चुके हैं. We ordered him to appear in court. I urge you, pronoun, to reconsider your decision. They were trying to persuade him to change his mind. The teacher permitted them to turn their assignments late. You should prepare your son to take this examination. Now these all verbs are followed by a complement form of the noun or pronoun, and then this is followed by infinitive verb form. स्टडी किया वो हमारा कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब था, प्रोनाउन और ये नाउन था जब हमारे पास इन्फिनिटिव वर्ब फॉर्म था. हाउएवर जस्ट बिफोर द नाउन जीरन आपका जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन होगा दैट मस्ट अपीयर इन द पोजेसिव फॉर्म. सो द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर विल लुक लाइक subject followed by verb. This will be followed by possessive form of noun या possessive adjective, and this will be followed by gerund form of verb, which is a verb plus ing. So the examples will be, we understand your, now this is possessive form, not being able to stay longer. Now this we without regards to not, this makes the sentence negative. आपका जो verb है this is in the gerund form. So we understand your, this is possessive form of pronoun followed by not being able to stay longer. This being is the gerund form of verb. He regrets her leaving. Now this her is a possessive form and this is gerund form of verb. We are looking forward to their coming next year. Now this there is a possessive form, this followed by a gerund form of verb. We don't approve of John's buying this house. Now this John's is a possessive form followed by a gerund form of verb. We resent the teachers not announcing the test sooner, right?